Are you ready to future-proof your mobile development career? The tech world evolves quickly. New frameworks constantly emerge. Today, we dive into a pivotal choice for developers. As we approach 2026, let's uncover whether Flutter or React Native is the better option. The mobile app ecosystem is changing. Developers face an essential decision: which framework will ensure job security and opportunities? Flutter and React Native lead this evolution. Both frameworks are highly popular among developers. But what sets them apart? First, let's look at Flutter. Developed by Google, it uses Dart. Flutter is praised for its seamless performance and attractive UI. Its widget-based architecture simplifies development. It allows for cross-platform app building from a single codebase. Next, we have React Native. Backed by Facebook, it uses JavaScript. React Native's strength lies in its large community and libraries. It enables developers to build high-quality apps for both iOS and Android effortlessly. Now, let's consider job market trends. Employers increasingly seek skilled developers. Both Flutter and React Native are growing in demand. Flutter's job postings have surged recently. This trend reflects its rising popularity in the enterprise sector. React Native, however, maintains a strong presence due to its established reputation. Consider enterprise adoption. Companies are increasingly investing in mobile solutions. Flutter appeals to startups and tech companies emphasizing rapid development. React Native remains popular among established enterprises. Its reliability and community support make it an appealing choice. Next, let's look at future ecosystem developments. Google continues to invest in Flutter. They are enhancing features and community engagement. This stochastic growth indicates a positive trajectory for Flutter. On the other hand, React Native benefits from Facebook's continuous improvement and support. Think about the user experience too. Flutter offers highly customizable widgets for stunning visuals. React Native leverages native components for an authentic feel. Both frameworks excel in delivering user-friendly applications. To better understand, imagine a developer named Alex. Alex started with React Native and enjoys its community resources. However, as Flutter gains traction, Alex considers learning Dart to remain competitive. By choosing to master both, Alex can broaden career options. In summary, deciding between Flutter and React Native can shape your future. Flutter shows potential for growth and rapid adoption. React Native provides stability and community support. Both frameworks offer unique benefits. As you approach your decision, consider the evolving landscape. Pursuing skills in both can increase your marketability. With changing requirements, being versatile is vital. So, what's next? Explore online courses and tutorials for both frameworks. Start practicing today and enjoy the journey to future-proof your career. Dive into the world of mobile development and make a choice that works for you. If this helped, like and subscribe for more.